In this video, I'm going to show you how to import fonts in Squarespace the easy way, so you can give your website a more custom, professional look in just a few minutes. If you've ever wanted to change your headings, paragraphs, or buttons to match your brand style, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. And if this helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open any page by clicking Edit. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top right corner and click the Site Styles icon. This is the paintbrush icon, and it's where Squarespace keeps all of your design settings, including fonts. After that, a sidebar menu will open on the left side of your screen. From there, click Fonts. Now you'll see different text categories you can customize, such as headings, paragraphs, and buttons. Choose the one you want to change first. For example, if you want your blog post titles or page headings to stand out, click Headings. If you want to update the main body text on your site, click Paragraphs. And if you want your call to action text or buttons to match your brand, click Buttons. Next, find the Family drop-down menu. Click it, then scroll past your current font selections until you see the option that says Browse All Fonts. Click that, and Squarespace will open the full font library. This is where you can search for the font you want to use. In the search box, type the name of any Google font or Adobe font you want to add. Squarespace will show matching results right away, so you can quickly find the exact style you're looking for. Once you see the font you want, click it to apply it instantly across your site layout. You'll notice the change update right away, which makes it easy to preview how your site looks before saving. If it doesn't feel quite right, you can always go back and try a different font until you find the perfect fit for your brand. After you finish making your font changes, make sure to click Save in the top left corner. This locks in your design updates and keeps them applied to your Squarespace website. And that's it. You've now learned how to import fonts in Squarespace and apply them to your headings, paragraphs, or buttons in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Squarespace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.